our history. MMF is a non-profit organization which started in 2012 in a small room. Our first donation of Rs 5,000 was given to us by a 3-year-old child. MMF's first program based on income support was built on a model to aid the underprivileged, widows, then orphans to cover their basic amenities. The initial beneficiaries included 3 people, but with time the numbers started growing, making financial sustainability an issue. This is when the team shifted its focus on empowering socially and economically deprived individuals. Our thematic areas. It is a famous proverb, give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach him how to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. During the pandemic, many people lost their jobs and the households of many were affected because their only source of income was gone. It was hard for MMF to help many individuals and families financially on a regular basis. MMF joined hands with Pali Memorial Trust and inaugurated its first vocational training institute located in Late Ki Buller, Lahore in March 2021. Our first batch graduated this August and we were left astounded by the learning ability and proficiency in the skill gained by the students in just 3 months' time. Our second batch graduated in December 2021. Here are our successful students who started earning by using their skill even before the end of the course.
इतना अच्छा उन्होंने मुझे काम सिखाया कि मैं आगे अपना काम खुद अपना पार्लर बना के शुरू करना चाहती हूँ और मैंने लोगों के घर में भी जाके काम करना शुरू किया है जिससे मुझे काफ़ी प्रॉफिट हुआ है और मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं अपना ये जो काम है ना इसको जारी रखूँ ताकि मैं अपने पाँव पे खड़ी हो सकूँ, खुद मुख्तार बन सकूँ।
बाबा मेरे तो डेथ हो चुकी है लेकिन मेरे भाई भी सहारा हैं लेकिन मैंने और मज़ीद कोशिश कर दी है कि मैं लोगों के घर जाके मज़ीद सर्विस दे सकां। मैं फेशियल दे 500 रुपये कोई दे दिंदा, कोई हज़ार कोई मैनी पैडी दे, कोई मेहंदी दे दिंदा। मैं हर काम कर लैंदी हाँ। थोड़ा बहुत लोग 500-1000 दे देंगे ने, वो पॉकेट मनी जोड़ के मैं अपना फेशियल वगैरह ले लैंदी हाँ।
मेरी 2 बेटियां हैं छोटी सी और मियाँ नहीं है ये, तो इसलिए मैंने ये सीखा कि मैं अपना सहारा आप ही बनना चाहती हूँ और मैं कुछ अपने लिए कर लूँ।
The classes are going on for the 3rd batch, but the organization is looking for some sustainable means of donation to carry it on further. MMF inaugurated its second VTI with the help of PMT in January 2022 in a small, narrow lane of Kotli Pir, Lahore. Despite belonging to the economically deprived backgrounds, we were astonished to see the passion with which the people came to register themselves within days for stitching and tailoring skill. With limited resources and donated sewing machines, our first batch has started, and we are looking forward to empower maximum number of women in the area. ICRA program. Targeting homeless women and children, MMF took this earnest initiative to spread a clear understanding of the teachings of the Quran so that they can apply them in their daily life. In development section, MMF has introduced this program under which we grant annual scholarships and internship opportunities to school and college students. Mental health. MMF commemorated International Mental Health Day by conducting stress management workshop for the victims of domestic violence at Darul Aman. Our team is committed to protect our only home, Mother Earth, by recycling and reducing the amount of plastic waste we produce. Last year, Team MMF fulfilled its responsibility towards nature by collecting and recycling plastic bottles on quarterly basis. Not just that, MMF also ran a social media campaign to make the public aware of their responsibility towards environment. Welfare section. In the holy month of Ramadan, MMF contributed to social welfare by distributing rations to approximately 100 underprivileged families. MMF team distributed seasonal clothes to the residents of SOS Village Boys Home. In celebration of International Women's Day, MMF brought forward several leading and inspirational women. along with the frontline healthcare workers of Pakistan, who have displayed utmost strength and fearlessness in the hopeless and depressing times of COVID-19. MMF is a conscious advocate of women's human rights and holds several campaigns each year. Let's have a look at 16 Days of Activism campaign for gender-based violence participated by many notable voices.
I stand against violence on women and girls.
There's mental abuse as well, and there's feelings of inadequacy which a woman might face when she goes into a workplace.
मेरे ख्याल से हमें ख्वाजा सरा बहनों और भाइयों को इग्नोर नहीं करना चाहिए कि उनके बहुत से हकूक़ हैं और वो मसावी हकूक़ जो बाकी लोगों के पास मौजूद हैं वो उनके पास भी होने बहुत ज़रूरी है।
पॉलिसीज़ की इम्प्लीमेंटेशन है और फिर उनकी जो जजमेंट है और फिर उसकी जो रिपोर्टिंग है टू द गवर्नमेंट, दैट इज़ द नीड ऑफ द डे।
This year, MMF also entered into social networking with other organizations and contributed in a national campaign, Economic Empowerment of Women Combats Violence Against Women, hosted by NCSW, UN Women Pakistan, APWA, CARE International, HRCW and Bardasht. Moreover, to commemorate Human Rights Day, MMF in collaboration with APWA actively hosted a conference titled Women Empowerment Through Human Rights, addressing hundreds of audience of social activists, opinion makers, government officials and university students. The efforts of MMF impressed the male college students and they sang a rap song for the gender-based violence against women.
1, 2, 3, 4 दुनिया में शान जैसे माँ औरत है, दुनिया में बहन कमान औरत है, बीवी के रूप में जहान औरत है, क्यों मारोगे उसे जो जहान औरत है। दुनिया में शान जैसे माँ औरत है, औरत के रूप में जहान औरत है, दुनिया में बहन कमान औरत है, क्यों मारोगे उसे वो जहान औरत है। घबराएगी ना औरत जिसे हो इरिटेशन, साथ उसके मिसबाह मोमिन फाउंडेशन। घबराएगी ना औरत जिसे हो इरिटेशन, साथ उसके मिसबाह मोमिन फाउंडेशन।